For the last time,
Mr.
the
President.
chair will now state the parliamentary status. Senator Bato made a motion that Senator Go wanted to second. Senator Joel took the position that we should sit as an impeachment court before we can act on that motion. For the chair, the suggestion of Senator Villanueva is well taken, while recognizing also the position of Senator Bato, although the chair prefers the position of Senator Villanueva that we first convene as an impeachment court before acting on the motion. So the chair hereby rules that in order to act on the motion of Senator Bato, we should first convene as an impeachment court by this representation presiding over the oath taking of the members of the Senate, where the first item in the agenda of the impeachment court, after we approve our rules, will be to act on the motion of Senator Bato, listen to the seconding speech of Senator Go, and perhaps the seconding speech also of Senator Padilla, or whomsoever would like to second the motion, allow the members to speak before dividing the House. Therefore, Chair will suspend session in order to allow the members to kindly don your robes, impeachment robes, so that the chair can subscribe the oath to the members of the impeachment court so that we can convene the impeachment court and do the items rather that the chair mentioned earlier. Senator Bato.
Mr. President, I think I got the point of the good minority leader. And I would like to expound this, Mr. President, that after we take oath, Mr. President, can we go back as a Senate, not as an impeachment court, para pagbigyan na makapagsalita yung aking mga kasamahan, si Senator Bungo at si Senator Robin Hood Padilla, not as an impeachment court, but as a Senate, Mr. President. Just reverting back our status after taking an oath.
Mr. President, may I make a suggestion?
Senator Allen is recognized.
Sir, konting patience po from someone na mas madalas makipag-away kaso sa ipagbati ang ating mga kasama. May I propose this? I disagree with Senator Bato in dismissing the case. I agree with him based on former Chief Justice Puno's statement. And naniniwala kasi ako pag jurisdiction, titignan muna natin sa body. Having said that, tama ang ruling ng Senate President that either or, which is better. The only reason I think that better yung impeachment court because we will take an oath of political neutrality. While there's no test for that, konsensya na natin lahat once we take our oath. May I suggest, because I think the konting disagreement between my two brothers, Brother Joel and Brother Robin, is may feeling na hindi natin pinapasalita yung iba. May feeling naman ng minority dahil mas konti sila ay sinusupil ang kanilang karapatan isulong ang isang constitutional duty. May feeling naman yung iba dito sa likod na bakit masusunod yung minority. But I think, Mr. President, when we convene as an impeachment court, am I correct? Senator Bongo and Senator Robin and anyone who wants to speak on the issue of dismissal or any other motion will be able to speak and can move that their statement also be reflected in our session after or tomorrow.
That is correct, Your Honor.
So that they don't have to repeat it twice. Because the problem, Senator Bato is not an attorney, but he's talking like an attorney. So Senator Batorney, my humble opinion is mas mabuting mag-oath at doon because the statement of Senator Bongo and Senator... Ako mismo, I wanna argue bakit hindi dismiss. If I argue it here now, then I will have to argue again in the impeachment court. But if we argue it in the impeachment court, then move that it also be in the records of the legislative session, then we have both of best worlds, if it's acceptable to you. Yeah. If it's acceptable to you, Brother Robin. Yeah. And to the Minority Leader. Thank you, Mr. President.
The point of Senator Cayetano, accepted by the members so mentioned, is well taken. Chair now again reiterates its ruling. The chair will suspend the session until 6 p.m. This evening in order to afford. Gaano katagal ba nyo kailangan magbihis? Huh? Forthwith, di ba?
6:15 probably, Mr. President. Would be
Chair
a reasonable
hereby
time.
orders that session is suspended until 6:15.